Oui, bonjour, guys. Welcome to French today. Just wanted to read briefly through this page that we'll be discussing for this first assignment that deals with some question words. Um, there's only three parts. It's actually not too much to go over, but there's an assignment that goes along with it, so I want to make sure that I talk through it with you. For the section is titled Qui, qu'est-ce que, quoi? Asking questions. And so we have these three different expressions that are all used to help ask questions. Um, but they're also used to ask slightly deeper questions, like the answer to these are not going to be yes or no. Um, it requires a bit deeper of an answer, which is why they're teaching it to us now. So number one is this first expression, qui, Q-U-I, it's pronounced qui. You use qui in questions when asking about a person. So it can mean who or whom. They give us two sample questions. Qui va gagner? Who is going to win? In that case, qui is actually the subject, right? So va, that's the verb aller conjugated for qui. Qui va gagner? Paul. Who's going to win? Paul. Second question, tu as invité qui? Like, who did you invite? Tu as invité qui? Natalie. And so qui can come at the beginning of a sentence, it can come at the end of the sentence, depending on if it's the subject or the object. Number two, the expression is qu'est-ce que. And of course, the QUE, the que, can become QU apostrophe if what follows begins with a vowel. But you use qu'est-ce que or quoi, the second word for what, to ask what. Qu'est-ce que goes at the beginning of a sentence and quoi at the end. So they have a couple of sample questions here. Qu'est-ce que tu regardes? What are you watching? Or tu regardes quoi? You're watching what? And both those can be answered with a match de football or a match de foot. So tu regardes quoi? Quoi comes at the end. Qu'est-ce que tu regardes? Qu'est-ce que comes at the beginning. But they both just mean what. And then finally, both qui and quoi can be used, this is number three, after a preposition. So you can use them for people or for things, qui for people or quoi for things. It means like, with whom or with what. It's the examples they give us here. So, tu vas aller au match avec qui? So you're going to go to the match with whom? On joue au foot avec quoi? So you play football with what? Tu as besoin de quoi? Like you have need of what? Like what do you need? So yeah, so qui and quoi can both be used with a preposition like avec or de to add a bit more meaning to your questions. And with that, I think we're in a good spot.